Bonnie. Happy Monday! I have an exciting company to share with you today. So, a company called EcoRoots contacted me about 2 weeks ago and asked me if I would like to share their shampoo conditioner bars. And I was like, yes, that sounds like so much fun. So, I've actually got these in the mail today. Check these out, how gorgeous they are. I'm going to talk about these in a minute. So, EcoRoots is a zero waste company, meaning there is no packaging. So when you get the box in the mail, you are going to get not even a receipt. They email you the receipt, and then they use a recyclable packing material and everything. There's no packaging at all, which is really nice in terms of saving on, all the extra plastic and everything. So that is really cool. Anytime I review for a company, if a company contacts me, I always look at their website first. I want to know about the company. I'm interested in what they do. And EcoRoots, I was super impressed with their website. So they've actually got a zero waste blog where they talk about how not using a lot of packaging material is good for the environment and future generations. So I thought their website is very well laid out, and there's a lot of really good information on there when you go and read it. So EcoRoots is also a member of 1% for the Planet, which means they give 1% of their annual sales to sustainable initiatives that support the planet. So that's really cool. And oh my goodness, you guys. So I'm looking around their website. They don't just have beauty stuff. They have like reusable dishcloths. They have a reusable spork. Remember sporks? Those were so cool. They have bamboo soap dishes. They have stainless steel cups. So they have a lot of really neat. Oh, a natural loofah. How cool is that? So they have a lot of different products. Shipping is free on 45 plus in the US. And if you use the code, and I'll put it below, Bonnie Girl Geek, you're going to get 10% off of your order. So that's pretty cool. So I want to talk about these shampoo bars. Oh my goodness. So I wanted to get to the page where I could get the scent notes and all the information about the Citrus Fresh shampoo and conditioner bar, which I have right here. And I noticed that they have silk hair scrunchies. Oh my goodness. I love silk hair scrunchies. I got to get those. Those look really cool. So these are, check these out. They are a zero waste shampoo bar. And like I said, this is the shampoo bar. Uplifting scent of organic sunny citrus fruits, apricot, mandarin, grapefruit, and oranges. Oh my gosh, this smells really good. Smells really fresh, really citrusy. They are handmade of coconut oil and cocoa butter. They are vegan, and they have coconut oil, grapefruit extract, and a pro-vitamin complex. They are 2.25 ounces, handmade in the USA, silicone-free, phthalate-free, paraben-free, palm oil-free. They are color-safe, travel-friendly, and you get plastic-free shipping. So, like I said, this is the shampoo bar, and they're very easy to use. So basically, you just take them in your hand, wet your hair completely down. You're going to take the shampoo bar and kind of rub it in, lather up your hair, and then what you're going to do is rinse it out, and then you're going to do the same thing with the conditioner bar, work it through. I can't believe how good this smells. And then rinse it out. So they're super easy to use, and they don't take up a lot of room in the shower, which is really nice. They also sent me, oh my gosh, you guys, check this one out. This is the Forest Mist shampoo bar. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. This one is wild blueberries, bright woodsy notes, and blue flowers. I get a really woodsy note in there. My husband is going to love this one. Oh my gosh. This one smells so good. It's masculine. This one is definitely unisex. And this one actually has, let me look at the patchouli and sandalwood, wild blue flowers, pine needle, and jasmine flower. Oh my gosh, I do smell a little bit of that pine needle in there. Again, these are vegan. Same thing, coconut oil, pro-vitamin complex, but this one does have jasmine oil extract that is great for nourishment to the scalp, helps preserve the natural color of your hair, and is extremely beneficial for stimulating hair growth. So that's really cool for this one. And then I also got the conditioner bar. This is the Moroccan oil one. Gosh, this smells so good too. So Moroccan oil is earthy, clean, slightly musky. It's got warm vanilla, earthy musk, coconut oil, and Moroccan oil. So the Moroccan oil is a great moisturizer because it contains plenty of fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamin A and E, and has properties to repair damaged hair. So this is the Moroccan oil one. So I had to show you guys that. Very cool. Like I said, I think my favorite is the citrus because I love orange. You know how much I love orange, you guys. So those are the shampoo and conditioner bars. Like I said, vegan. They are handmade in the USA. And free of any plastic packaging. So like I said, shipping is free on 45 plus. If you use the code Bonnie Girl Geek, you're going to get 10% off. And I will put all the information below if you want to go check out this company. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.